Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. Let's take a look at our morning low temperatures. We've already taken a look at the high temperatures for today, but this morning we were in the single digits and teens, so quite a chilly morning. Really did not feel like late March, and it still doesn't. Even despite the mostly clear skies, it's only 21 degrees right now in Fargo, feeling like 5. With that wind still quite gusty out of the northwest, sustained at 23 miles per hour, gusting up to 30. And at the Morehead Airport, currently 21 degrees. It's 15 in Grand Forks, feeling like 2 degrees below zero. Wind is out of the north at 20 miles per hour, gusting to 30 miles per hour. Current temperatures region-wide are mostly in the teens across the Northern Valley. It's 16 in Langdon, 17 in Baudette, only 14 right now in Hallock, one of the coldest spots, and the warmest only 29 down in Sisseton, South Dakota. And we've still got quite a bit of wind going on this evening through the Central Valley and northwestern Minnesota, gusting to 29 in Alexandria. We're seeing a gust to 28 miles per hour in Baudette, and in Hallock, that wind out of the northwest at 25. That really gives us some frigid wind chills. It feels like 3 degrees below zero in Hallock, 5 above in Bemidji, 4 above in Detroit Lakes, 1 above up in Baudette. So we've got a cold evening ahead of us. We will continue to have this wind out of the northwest for a few more hours and a few high passing clouds. So southeastern North Dakota is a little bit more mild with the help of some of that cloud cover, but it's going to be a chilly night. We might see a few high clouds here and there, but here's a look at what we could be waking up to tomorrow morning. This is 7:05. Maybe you're sleeping in on a Sunday, but single digits are expected across the Northern Valley, even some single digits below zero. This is 4 below in Roseau, 2 below up in Baudette. That's where I'm expecting the clearest conditions. And by tomorrow morning, we won't have as much wind, but it's still going to feel very, very chilly out there. Through the afternoon, here we are by your lunchtime hour. Temperatures still quite chilly up in northwestern Minnesota, a little bit more mild, still teens and 20s, and we'll be warming up a little bit more than we did today. Many are expected to warm into those 20s and 30s. Sorry, Roseau and Baudette, you're going to be the coolest throughout the entire day for tomorrow, but we're not looking at as much wind for tomorrow either. Fast forward a few days, let's look at Wednesday because we've got a first alert weather day for snow and wind. A Colorado low is expected to move in. Starting this Tuesday afternoon, that's when we'll start to see some activity with some rain, some mixed showers, and some wind out of the southeast. So we'll start, this is now Tuesday night. Just before 10 p.m., we'll likely see some rain in the Southern Valley with snow across the Northern Valley and some mix in between, before transitioning to all snow by Wednesday morning. So travel impacts at this point in time are expected for your Wednesday morning commute with widespread snow and the breeze picking up behind it. This continues through the day Wednesday, most of the snow wrapping up by evening. But I'm still expecting some travel impacts with fresh snow on the ground and some wind. And we could see continued snow, primarily northwestern Minnesota for Thursday morning. And northwestern Minnesota is where I expect the bulk of the accumulation, though it's a little too soon still to tell just how much and where. Warmer temperatures at Monday with 44 here in Fargo, cooler for that system Wednesday through Friday. And then by Saturday, we look to warm up just a little bit more.
Okay, because that's a doozy.
It is, yeah. Not what we want this time of season, but it happens every year.
Yes, okay. All right, thank you so much, Summer. Still to